Welcome to this tutorial on how to import a Debank wallet address. Debank is a popular platform that allows users to track and manage their cryptocurrency portfolios across multiple wallets and exchanges. Importing a Debank wallet address is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. First, you need to have a Debank account. If you don't have one, sign up for an account on the Debank website. Once you have an account, log into your Debank dashboard. On the dashboard, click on the Add Wallet button. This will take you to a page where you can select the type of wallet you want to add. Select the option to add a wallet address. You will be prompted to enter the wallet address you want to import. Enter the wallet address and select the blockchain network it is associated with. Debank supports multiple blockchain networks, including Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon. After entering the wallet address and selecting the blockchain network, click on the Add Wallet button. Debank will then import the wallet address and start tracking its balances and transactions. You can view the wallet address and its associated balances and transactions on your Debank dashboard. It is essential to note that importing a Debank wallet address only allows you to track its balances and transactions. It does not give Debank control over the wallet or its funds. Your private keys and wallet funds remain secure and under your control. Best practices for importing a Debank wallet address include ensuring the wallet address is correct and selecting the correct blockchain network. You should also ensure that you have the necessary permissions to import the wallet address, especially if it is a shared wallet. In conclusion, importing a Debank wallet address is a simple process that can be completed in a few steps. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can easily import a Debank wallet address and start tracking its balances and transactions. Remember to always ensure the accuracy of the wallet address and blockchain network to avoid any errors or issues.